Hi, this is a quick update of my nice Nitze CNC head linkage, also other stuff which I ordered from eBay from Nice CNC. And first, this is very disappointing experience because head here is a gasket blows out after 5 minutes of riding. Linkage collar of bearing is not enough hardened, so after 50 minutes of riding I hear some strange sound, disassembled it, and I see here is a mark. So Nice CNC contacted me and sent improved versions of their product. Of course, linkage I didn't test it yet, so I installed another one, so I need not this linkage anymore. So I haven't an opportunity to test these bushings or collars or something like that, but which is very nice, and I appreciate that Nice CNC send these new items, enhanced items, not an old. For example, take a new head. Where is the problem? Problem is in this surface. In old head, this surface is lower than this one, so, and it presses down via this o-ring. For example, in other heads which have similar construction, like VHM head has on this and this is equal height, so equal thickness. So when you assemble the head, this is all in one height, equal, so flat. Here, as you can see, the inner part is lower than outer. This is a previous problem, and this o-ring is supposed to has enough pressure to press the compression down, but in real life it doesn't work in this way. So which Chinese engineers did with this head enhanced version? They simply a bit made this part a bit higher. So what we have now, yes, when we put this head completely together, looks very good. There is no height difference, but as you can see, this pressure goes through inner part, through this one part. So if I press down, for example, here, as you can see, we can measure this one, this height here, as you can see. And now compare to this, as you can see, this part is much smaller. So Chinese engineer, what you need, how you need to make this part, this thickness, and this height of this part must be the same. So it must press it not through via this o-ring, but this must press it via here. So gasket cannot blows out. VHM head, for example, has o-ring not here but here. Just, I don't know, just Google it, and maybe this helps. My thoughts is this head also didn't work because I didn't believe in what here in thermal expansion there is a very high temperature, and it cannot work this way. You need to make this surface as high as this outer surface, and then maybe this head works. In better, of course, made the o-ring here, not here but here, like VHM head, like plat head, like any other heads. All right. As about this linkage bearings, I haven't any hardness tester to test how this bushing is hard or it isn't. But I can see you try to copy an older Yamaha's bearings, so I'll try this bush from Yamaha 2004 450, and it fits here perfectly, except the inner diameter on this bushing is a bit bigger. So it fits here, yeah, and it works. But I hope you hardened this enough to work. So, but head again, head you need to remachining. You understand what I said? This thickness must be the same as here, this part, and maybe try to put O-ring here. Just Google VHM head construction, and that's built good enough. That's all for today. Thank you for cooperation. Yeah, and also I have this new, I don't know, O-rings maybe, or what here is different from old, I don't know, and a letter. That's all for today. I appreciate your cooperation, but engineers must work harder. That's all for today. Peace, chill you.